Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to delete and install Let's Go Wild Lite apps. Let's see how to do it. First go to your phone setting, scroll down now and find app option. Tap on app option. Now find Let's Go Wild Lite apps list. Keep watching the video. Tap on Let's Go Wild Lite apps. Not showing uninstall option and home screen. Change default home apps. And go back and home screen. And again phone setting and go back. Tap on uninstall option. OK to confirm and go back and home screen and follow my last step. Go to Play Store, then tap on search bar. Search Let's Go Wild Lite apps. Let's tap on apps. Tap on apps and tap on uninstall and tap on uninstall option. Finally, Let's Go Wild Lite apps uninstall done. Thanks for watching my